In manufacturing, every second counts. From production to delivery, efficiency is the key to staying competitive in a fast-moving industry. But outdated manual processes in administrative areas like document management, order processing, and compliance can slow down even the most efficient production line. With KnowledgeLake, manufacturers can streamline operations from the shop floor to the back office, automating document-intensive processes, boosting productivity, and reducing operational costs. KnowledgeLake's AI-powered platform transforms invoice processing and more. From work orders to supplier contracts and compliance documentation, we automate repetitive tasks to eliminate bottlenecks and boost efficiency. Imagine an intuitive AI solution that captures, categorizes, and routes documents in real time, reducing errors and accelerating approval workflows. Your teams can work smarter with instant access to critical documents, ensuring timely production, smooth supplier relationships, and flawless audits. With KnowledgeLake, you not only streamline back-office operations, but also ensure your entire organization runs like clockwork, from procurement to production to delivery. According to TJ, CIO for Wilson Trailer, the real labor savings came from getting the invoices from the email inbox to the clerks so they can send them to the right person to review, and then three-way match them in our ERP system. And Ty from New Belgium Brewing says, before KnowledgeLake, manual intervention was needed for almost all of our invoices. Today, KnowledgeLake's AI-enabled platform has revitalized our operations, offering automation and speed we've never experienced before. Now you can empower your manufacturing operations with KnowledgeLake and unlock new levels of efficiency and performance. Visit knowledgelake.com and try our platform for free today.